Hey there, Lee Cole here. Before you do anything else, look below to your bottom right, just below this video, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload another one of my cool videos. There is more training on this channel for free about making money online, legitimate stuff, doing what I do called offline marketing or local business consulting. There's more training on this channel for free than there is in 99% of the info products that you paid good money for. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about how to create topics for a press release. So let's say you want to write a press release for your business or have one written. You want to do that for a client. Well, you got to come up with a good topic. I mean, in the video just before this, when I was talking about the importance of having good topics, right? So let's talk about some ways of creating topics, and then I'm going to take you offline, out of the PowerPoint here online, show you a piece of software of ours and where you can get it, because it will help you through this process. But even if you don't buy my software today, pay attention to the video, okay, so that you understand how to do this. Now, you know, a lot of people are under the impression that the topic for a press release has to be some momentous news event. Something that would appear in a global news network, something that would be breaking news on CNN or Fox or, you know, Bloomberg Finance or, you know, one of those huge sites. That's not true. And it's not even possible for virtually every business or every freelancer or every entrepreneur out there. It's hardly even possible. I mean, unless you're Elon Musk or somebody, or IBM, you're probably not going to be doing something that everybody in the globe is going to be interested in. But that doesn't mean that the topic of your press release needs to be just boring. I'm just saying that there's a limited audience probably for your press release, and that audience would be limited to people, other businesses, people, potential clients, potential customers, potential investors, potential business partners within your same sub-niche. Okay, so you want your press release to be very interesting to them. I would not worry about whether your press release is going to make it onto what we used to call the nightly news. That doesn't exist anymore. Now you know how old I am, but that doesn't exist anymore. So again, this is false that you have to have something totally momentous in order to benefit your business or your client's business from having a press release published. Now, for the average business, there's zillions of topics for press releases, and I want to go over just a few, and then again, I'm going to show you how I do this with clients and, you know, my software. New hires, that's very important. Now, I'm not hating on anybody, but I'm not saying that, you know, if you hire a new truck driver that you need to write a press release. That obviously a very important component of your business because they're out there delivering stuff, or if that's for your client's business. But the hiring of that person is not going to be interesting to anybody except really you and them. But let's say you hire a new vice president of marketing, or let's say you hire a new general counsel or somebody like that. So, somebody in the upper echelons of the management. Let's say you bring in a new business partner. Let's say definitely if you come out with a new product, or if you've retooled an old product, or even if you pulled an old product off the market, this is all good fodder for press releases. New locations, you're moving your business one city to the next, down the block, across the hall, opening up a new location, all very important stuff for press releases. New investors, new business partners, that's all extremely interesting stuff. So think about what would be interesting to people interested in your business, in the same business or in allied businesses. Think about that kind of stuff. That's what you want to go for. These are just a few ideas. And again, like I said, let me show you a little piece of software that I use with clients and also that I sell for business consultants to use with their clients. And it really helps in the process of coming up with great topics. So hang on just a second. Let's drop out of this. Go online, and we're online on one of our websites, one of our test websites. And I'm not going to show you the whole piece of software. Below in the, if you're on YouTube, below in the description, the first link's going to be the link to a sales page where you can read all about. This is Software Plus Training. Now, this is aimed at local business consultants, aimed at them selling selling these services to local businesses. However, a business, an end user could actually benefit from this. So I'm going to link to here, and then you can just read through here. We've got a video that shows you all what how the software works and all that stuff. I'm not going to bore you with all those details, but I do want to show you something really, really cool. It's what we call our topic tickler. Now, this is, when we're working with clients, or when consultants who buy the software from us are working with clients, this is a great way to come up with great topics. And it does exactly what it says. It's a topic tickler. It's a sort of a brainstorming device. So, and you can use this with yourself, or you could use it with your client. But just think about, it basically asks you a lot of questions, hoping to elicit an idea that you think, man, that's a cool idea. So anything new going on, any accomplishments that need bragging about, reaching a certain sales or revenue goal, opening up business in a new country, any important changes, all of this stuff. Products, new products, changes in important products, changes in pricing or the price structure, all of that stuff. Great stuff for press releases. If you just can't think about anything about your business, so maybe you haven't even started your business, maybe you're thinking of a startup and you want to start writing press releases just to get the eyeballs back to you, a great way to do that is just to talk about market trends. In other words, what is happening in your market, new market trends, market studies, milestones of various businesses. Perhaps you've been asked to speak at a certain event. Great stuff. New technology trends. This is all fabulous stuff to write press releases about. Again, if you don't have anything about your own business to write about, or really even if you do, because what this does something a little bit different. This establishes you as more of a business leader in that niche, or establishes your client as more of a business leader in that niche. And you can see that we've got a ton of other questions here. This is really great. Whenever I have a client who's stuck on, Lee, yeah, it's time to issue a new press release, but I'm just out of ideas. I get online with them. We go through the topic tickler. We can easily come up with a year's worth of ideas within just a few minutes. So that is a cool thing. And again, you can get a piece of software that has this in it. It's called, well, hang on. Press Release Genie, okay? And that says Attorney Edition, but we also have a generalized Press Release Genie. A Genie is a piece of software that helps you write something, so you can get this with this product right here if you choose to buy it. So again, I'll have a link in the below the video for you. Thank you so much. Look at the rest of the videos in this playlist, and on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Reach out to me in the comments. Let me know what other stuff you would like to see in terms of these kinds of videos. Again, I'm Lee Cole. Talk to you very soon. Have a great day.